Well, good morning, everyone. I'm David Johnson, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for the Fulcrum Group. Today's Microsoft SMB briefing will discuss what Microsoft 365 can do for your business. So let's talk about our agenda today. This is what we're going to cover. We're going to talk about the key challenges that small and medium businesses face in a hybrid work world that we have today. Next up, we're going to talk about why you should trust Microsoft 365 for security. And then we're going to talk a little bit about how Microsoft 365 can help in reducing your IT cost and complexity. Next, we'll talk about how Microsoft 365 enables secure productivity. And then we're going to talk real briefly about how you can get ready for the Microsoft 365 Copilot AI tools. So let's get started. Here in Texas, historically, we were very slow to embrace remote work. Since the pandemic, we've embraced remote work at a much higher level that has remained even after the pandemic ended. Whether you decided to make remote work options permanent across your business or just want to have more options when it comes to connecting teams and customers, the right digital tools can be a competitive advantage. We see some continued challenges around remote work. For example, 43% of remote workers do not feel included in meetings. It can be challenging to balance the needs of remote and in-person team members, and in many businesses, the future will increasingly see a mix of both. Leaders fear that productivity has been negatively impacted since shifting to remote work. While studies have shown this isn't necessarily the case, you need increased visibility and connection to help get the most from your team. Additionally, more employees are using personal devices at work. That's great for engagement and productivity, but it's important to have a good solution for securing those devices and preventing data loss. "18 months ago, we would not have expected we would be here today talking about generative AI. We've never experienced this hyper growth for any technology in our history. Now we see that the growth curve is no longer at a gentle slope, it's a vertical line. Here's the time to 100 million users for important technology. As you can see, mobile phones, it took 16 years. The internet, 7 years. Facebook, 4.5 years. And Chat GPT, generative AI, only 3 months. Buckle up, we have reached the era of AI. Now that generative AI is here, there are plenty of opportunities to integrate AI into our various IT systems. And there are plenty of challenges out there that AI can help with. As you can see, 64% of people have struggled with finding time and energy to get their work done. And look at how much time has increased in Teams meetings since 2020. And a whopping 70% of people would delegate as much as possible to lessen their workloads. And just because AI can help with mundane tasks, it doesn't mean layoffs. It just means that we can focus more time on critical tasks that can move our businesses forward. That's the real value of AI. Regardless of how large or small your business may be, cybersecurity is at top of mind for everyone. However, small and medium businesses often face a situation in which they are vulnerable to the same threats as enterprises, but do not have the same level of specialized security staff and tools to combat those threats. We've seen a 300% increase in ransomware attacks in the past year, with more than half of those targeted at small businesses. Not surprisingly, leaders of those businesses see cyber threats becoming a growing area of business risk. With the average cost of these data breaches exceeding $100,000, it quickly makes sense to consider investing upfront in higher levels of security. At the same time, in this world of hybrid work, you need solutions that are built to protect your business wherever your people are working. Not to mention being easy to use so it doesn't take up time from your core business activities. But together and with the right tools at hand, we can help grow your business. The Microsoft 365 solution is designed to equip business owners to respond to these three key challenges. As we continue along the presentation, I will show you how our solution, number one, lets you be more collaborative and connects your people. Number two, secures your business with technology you can trust. And three, helps reduce cost. But you may ask, what is Microsoft 365? Microsoft 365 is all of the apps and cloud services that you need to work and collaborate together in real time, securely from anywhere. Desktop and web versions of your favorite apps, such as Outlook, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, plus cloud services like Teams, SharePoint Online, and OneDrive. When it comes to Microsoft 365, there are many types of subscriptions. Today, we're going to focus on Microsoft 365 Business Premium. With Microsoft Business Premium, you can improve cloud cybersecurity posture through zero trust strategies, simplifying endpoint management, and reducing the number of cloud vendors you work with, while also implementing secure AI tools. Microsoft 365 is available for small and medium businesses in three flavors, but it's Business Premium where those three focus areas manifest in one cost-effective solution. Microsoft 365 Business Premium brings together the key capabilities you need to work from anywhere. Collaborate using Microsoft Teams, secure your identity, data, and devices, and provide remote access and virtual desktops. As a customer, it eliminates the need for multiple point solutions and helps reduce your operational costs. An integrated offering lowers support help desk and maintenance costs while simplifying licensing so you can focus on driving business with your customers. It's comprehensive and easy to use, helps to reduce cost, and it gives small businesses access to enterprise-grade technology. To recap, Microsoft 365 Business Premium brings together multi-layered security that is integrated with your productivity and collaboration tools so you can run your business from anywhere with peace of mind. There's a protection across identity, device, application, and Wi-Fi, as well as data. Starting with the user, we talked about protecting identity and access against lost or stolen passwords with multi-factor authentication, as well as controlling who can access your business data with conditional access. The protection continues to the devices across your data, whether company or employee owned, using Intune policies, including the ability to remotely wipe lost and stolen devices and protect work data on personal employee owned phones and tablets. The apps that are used to access work data can also be managed using Intune application protection policies to block work documents being saved in personal apps like a personal share. Additionally, threat protection capabilities help defend against phishing and other cyber threats by checking links and attachments in real time in Teams, Outlook, and OneDrive. With data loss prevention and Azure information protection, you can automatically classify and protect sensitive information and restrict forwarding or copying of sensitive emails and documents. So we talked a lot about the technology benefits of Microsoft 365 Business Premium. Let's talk about the business case for using this and how it can help reduce cost and complexity. Microsoft 365 Business Premium was designed as an integrated solution to help businesses reduce cost by up to 50% or more versus individual tools. These savings create strong opportunity for Microsoft partners such as the Fulcrum Group to provide managed or other value-added services for their customers. Finally, Microsoft 365 Business Premium can help you save costs by consolidating point solutions across productivity and security, saving you more than $30 per user per month. Areas of saving can be areas such as single sign-on, uh, mobile device management, endpoint protection, email filtering, remote access, file storage and productivity apps, and online chat-based collaboration tools such as Slack or Zoom. Plus, you also get the benefit of a solution that's designed to work well together versus trying to get disparate point solutions to work. So with that, we've covered the three phases of the sales journey from needs discovery to pitching the solution to objection handling. And there's more value added coming soon with Microsoft Defender for Business. We hope this presentation has armed you with why Microsoft 365 Business Premium is the gold standard for small and mid-sized businesses. It really packs a punch in one solution with the best of productivity tools and advanced security and management, so you have everything you need to run your business with peace of mind. So now let's talk about next steps. Let us help you get started. We hope this presentation has armed you with why Microsoft 365 Business Premium is the gold standard. Now we'll leave you with some of our options and offers. The first up is a Microsoft 365 discovery call where we can review your current licensing, discuss your business needs and compliance requirements, and generate recommendations on what Microsoft 365 licensing works best for you. We can also complete a Microsoft 365 cybersecurity assessment for only $699. That's a $2,500 value. You'll receive a detailed assessment of your Microsoft 365 tenant with a list of specific actions you can take to improve your Microsoft 365 cybersecurity posture. We'll also leave you with 2 additional links that you may want to reference for additional details after this session. We hope this presentation helped you understand the value of Microsoft 365 Business Premium, and we look forward to reaching out and discussing any needs that you might have. Thanks again for your time today.